How to log out Likee account. So if you want to log out of your Likee account, then first of all you need to open up your Likee application and make sure to check that if you have a stable internet connection or not. And once you've checked the internet connection, now you can go for your account, which is on the bottom right. And now here you can go for the upper right corner, which has that three dots icon, and simply go for settings, which is on the last. And now you can scroll down, and here on the bottom you will have log out option. So if you want to log out of your Likee account, then you can simply tap on that log out. And then if you want to switch your account, or if you want to log into another account, then you can go for switch account. But if you really want to log your account out, then you can simply tap on log out, and again tap on log out, and that's it. That's how you log out of your account on Likee. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.